Hello everyone, my name is Fadila Najla from Managerial Accounting Class 5A, and today I will present my material on bar chart and pie chart with the title Export Activities in India and European Union Country. Next, table of content. First, benefit of export. Second, bar chart. And last, pie chart. Next, benefit of export activity. The benefit of export are investment growth, job creation, and economic growth. India is the world's largest agricultural exporter, growing year on year, and its net exports are the sixth largest in the world. And the European Union, which is exporter of goods and services, food and beverage, and manufacturing in about 80 countries. Next, bar chart. Okay, this is a bar chart from India emerged as a large net exporter of agricultural products. This bar chart provides information on India's record increase in agricultural export over 13 period from 2001 to 2013. Units are measured in billion. Overall, India's total export were higher than its net export, but export and net export had some fluctuation and but experienced a significant increase in 2011. Total export in the first period almost reached $5 billion. After that, there was an increase in total reaching exactly $5 billion. Then in 2003, total export reached around $6 billion. Then in 2004 to 2008, total export continued to increase gradually until the number of total export reached more or less $58 billion. In 2009, it decreased with the total number of exports reaching around $14 billion. Then in 2010, it increased slowly until the total number of exports was more than $20 billion. In the next period, the increase was quite significant until the number stopped in 2013 around $39 billion. The amount of the net export at the beginning of the period was around $3 billion. But this figure showed a gradual decline around 2002, around $3 billion, and 2003 around $1 billion. Then in the next period, namely in 2004, that export increased slowly. The number increased until the year 2008, and in 2008, net export were over $10 billion. The net export decreased significantly to $3 billion in 2009. Then in the following period increased rapidly to a peak in 2013 of nearly $20 billion, when total export and net export both have increased in the last period. Next, pie chart. Okay, this is a pie chart from AU 27 Export by Product Group 2009 and 2019. These two pie charts illustrate how the trade in goods of countries in the European Union were exported by product group as a percentage in 2009 and 2009. Overall, at the beginning of the period, the most exported products were machinery and vehicle, and the least export were raw material and other. Entering the end of the period, the product exported, namely machinery and vehicle, did not change, as did raw material and other. The primary product, food and drink, raw material and energy, are shown in red color, while the manufactured product, chemical, machinery and vehicle, and other manufacturing goods are shown in blue colors. Export of manufactured chemical products accounted for 17% in 2009, and a slight growth of 2% and 2019. The primary export of food and drink were at 7% in 2009 and experienced a slight increase of 8% in 2019. Machinery and vehicle and other manufacturing goods groups were at 42% and 24% respectively, and both declined 1% after 10 years. Machinery and vehicle in 2009 and 2019 remained at nearly half, while other manufacturing goods were almost a quarter export to the European Union. On the other hand, product export in trade in goods from raw material and energy remained constant for 10 years at 3% and 5% respectively. Other export activities by 3% in 2009 decreased in 2019, and at the end of this period was the smallest position. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for attention and sorry if there is anything wrong, and see you!